Ardel to ask a question.
Good afternoon. First question ko is for Tapat. And bibigay ko na lang lahat ng questions ko kasi konting time. First of all is, bakit may kailangan pa ng university student government? And can you give us a brief explanation, yung quick run through nito? And then sa Santugon, meron dito yung a commitment to quality student services, then fight for no course card days. I think, in my own opinion, na parang hindi yata masyadong pinag-isipan to. Sorry for the comment. Let me explain first. Kasi sinabi dito, no course card days. Ibig sabihin, walang course card, no course card day. Then, ibig sabihin, i-view na lang online as soon as possible. Parang, if ever ba, kunyari, so, ibig sabihin, ang pupunta na lang dito is yung mga students na may reklamo. Basically, may course card day pa rin. Kasi pupunta lang dito yung mga student na reklamo, hindi lahat. Ang nakikita ko lang problem is, yung pupuntang mga estudyante, di ba, ang problem lang sa present course card day, kasi kunyari ako, kukunin ko, first is 8 to 9, then susunod is 2 to 5, napakalayo ng gap, so nakaka-bore. Hindi kaya mas maganda na lang kung pag-iisipan natin mabuti, parang nasa department na lang yung course card, at may course card day pa rin, pero nasa department na lang, at hindi yung parang, kasi actually nakalagay dito as soon as possible na mailagay sa My LaSalle account. But, di ba ano rin yun? In the same night ng course card day, nilalagay na rin sa My LaSalle account. And to think, ang ganda nga ng service ng LaSalle na gano'n, dahil ibang schools, depende pa sa professor, at ibang schools, minsan walang course card day, bahala na minsan summer nila kinukuha, at walang ganong klaseng service katulad sa LaSalle. Basically, ano pa yung, para saan pa yung no course card day? Para kasi mediocre yung nangyari dito. And then sana pwede yung mag-follow up question. Thank you.
I don't think we have time for a follow-up, so may we ask Santugon to answer the question. Tapat ang Santugon.
Siguro to give everybody a brief background on the university student government. It's a complete restructuring of the student council. It's really an internal revamp. Because if we take a look at the current structure of the student council, we don't have clear executive, legislative, and judicial functions. A lot of it is overlapping. For instance, there are people from the executive branch who chair in the Legislative Assembly, when in fact it's a policy-making body. At the same time, there are people in the LA who perform judiciary functions, which should not be the case. So, to aid me, I'll ask Ina, Anil, and Gretch to help discuss in brief what the branches are all about. So, for the executive branch, here's Ina.
So, why do we need an executive branch? Siyempre, para maiwasan yung overlapping activities at para mas maging relevant pa yung activities na binibigay sa mga estudyante. Kasi with the executive branch, across levels yung provide na programs and activities for the students and departments.
Okay. I'm sorry, Ina, I have to cut you. I have to give the mic to Santugon because we're really running out of time. I'm sorry. Okay, Amy.
Okay, so for the no course card day, actually it's not no course card day. Ang name niya, mangyayari doon, may consultation day pa rin. So ang mangyayari, once na tapos ka na mag-finals, tapos na i-compute na professor mo ang grade mo, pwede na niya ilagay doon na pwede pa niyang baguhin yun once na nag-complain ka. Ang sinasabi namin dito na it's for the benefit of people who will be going abroad or who will be going to their own provinces. Na dapat makita na nila yun, para kung wala silang complain, pwede na silang umuwi. Okay, fine, may complain ka. Pwede ka pumunta dun sa consultation day to complain regarding the grade you have. So yun yung point namin doon. It's a convenience for everyone na hindi mo na kailangan pumunta dito. Kasi what the current system is that, pag in-upload na doon, final na yung grade mo unless mag-file ka ng petition for change of grade. Pero sana hindi ganun yung mangyari. Na online pa lang, makikita na natin yung grade natin na pwede pang palitan. Para sa ganun, hindi na tayo magtatrabaho lahat. Pupunta pa tayo ng school para lang kumuha ng course card.
Okay, that sums up our open forum for today. Let's thank everyone on behalf of the British Society, the LaSalle, and the Commission for Election.